mag-harvest tayo ng isda, tilapia. Ang daming tilapia dito. Pabibigyan ko sila ng food and huhulihin siya natin. Easy, you want? You want? Ayaw niya. Kay fishman to, para sa fish. Oh, super dami. Kita niyo ba? Kita niyo ba? It's not. Actually, pwede ko siyang anuhin. Pwede ko siyang ikanan lang yung net. Ang daming fish. This is where we're gonna put. Ilalagay siya natin dito pag nakahuli na tayo. Nahirapan pa kaming mag ng kawil. Yung kawil kasi hindi gumagana. Meron kaming kawil na wala. So, naghanap si Mahal ng panibagong kawil. Kasi, ito na. Maghuli na ta ng fish. Did you ask Ryan? Did you tell him we're getting some?
No, my phone too.
Oh, okay. But at least you can tell him. Oh, my God! Almost it caught my eye. I'm very far away from you. You just hit my face. Oh, now. Hurry up, eat it. Ang talino ng mga isda. Oh, it's tiny. Oh, big. What is it?
I think it's a sand grab.
Should I get it?
I don't know.
No, it's too small. Oh. Guys, ang hirap manguha ng isda. Ang dami-daming isda, pero ang hirap niyang kunin kay pangit yung hook na Alex. Kung nga, magkuha ako ng konti. Ang dami din sa ground. So mag-harvest ako ng konti. So, nagkuha ako ng quaimag. Kainin siya natin. Para lang pong maliit na langka. Ay. Quaimag kamuti ha. First time kong magluluto ng pagi or stingray. Nakuha siya namin sa, pumunta kasi kami ng port and then merong nangingisda, which is yung nangingisda is Filipino din. Tapos, pagdating namin dito sa bahay, nililinis ko siya. Nasagatan ako, like, nakat siya, super big, and ayoko na siyang i-touch. Pero gustong gusto ko siya kumain ng pagi, kasi matagal na akong hindi nakakakain ng pagi. So, si Alex na yung magtanggal ng hasang. Nilagyan ko siya ng salt, tapos lemon, para mawala yung pagka-slime niya. Ay, ang hirap niyang i-flip. Wait. Ayan.
I can do it there.
Where, you put it outside? No, just right here.
Flip it over.
Chat-GPT kami, kaya hindi namin alam kung paano siya i-prepare. Flip the stingray over. And then look underside near the head, inside the openings, like where the mouth in gill slits are.
Yeah, definitely.
Wash the area under running water to remove any leftover bits or blood. After removing the gills, your stingray is ready to boil.
No guts?
Maybe not.
I don't think so.
That's what he said. You be careful, it might cut your finger.
Some kind of bony thing there. There's no way to freaking hold the damn thing.
It's very easy from there in the Philippines.
Well, I don't know how to do it.
Kailangan niyang linisin yan kasi gusto ko siya. Lalagdagan ko siya yung kinunot.
And I know the knife is sharp. It acts like it's dull.
I think there's the holes there. That's the one. Look at that holes. See, try to open that hole.
I know that's the gills, but how are you gonna get them out? I can't even freaking get this knife through it.
There you did.
Jesus. What am I gonna use to hold the thing with?
Well, because you have to remove the slimy thing
Give me a
first.
cutting board or something.
It's gonna mess it.
Well, I can't.
Put it down there. You want to put it down
I
there?
can't really work on there. I don't.
Well, you cannot be in this counter. It's gonna be hard to clean. You do like this to remove the slime. After you soak in the water in salt. So, lalagyan ko siya ng sibuyas, bawang, luya, tapos paminta. Ni-boil ko lang siya ng 15 minutes. And then, ang gagawin natin next is, ito na siya. Separate natin siya. Yung mga meat. So, okay na to na Separate na natin. So, ito na siya. Luto na siya, guys. Kinunot na ako. Finally. Tikman siya natin. Kung masarap. Mantika. Bango. Try ko siya. Gusto ko to dati kasi yung tita ko nagluluto siya ng ganito. So, first time kong gumawa nito. First time kong magluto. Sa buong buhay ko. Kahit nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako, hindi man ako nagluluto ng ganito. Meron siya yung buto konti, pero ang lambot niya naman. Sarap. Lasang Pilipinas. Guys, nandito kami sa island. Nag-ano lang ako. Tawag dyan, nag-paddleboard. Tapos itong si Casey pa naiiyak-iyak habang ako ay nagpa-paddleboard kasi gusto niya sa akin sumama. How many? That's not bad. So, isama ko kayo mag-paddleboard ta. Ang dami ng tao. Kanina walang tao dito. Tapos ngayon, paunti-unti dumarating sila. Mamaya makikita nyo super dami ng tao dito. Casey, you cannot go there in the kayak. You wanna go in here? Ayaw ko si Casey dito sa akin kasi malikot man siya. You wanna come with me? Come on, right. Go on, just sit down. You be a good boy, okay? Sit. Where are you going? Tamo, paano yan siya? Uy, ang tawag dyan? Hindi mo malaman kung saan niya ba gusto. You wanna really go with me? Sige. Mag-away na naman yan silang dalawa. Oh my God, tingnan.
Take a picture of send it to Mom.
What? Whiner. I like to feel it, like a feeling. Nandito kami sa downtown. Nag-jet ski lang kami. Hoy, Casey! Nag-jet ski lang kami, guys. Super nakakatakot siya. Kasi may mga wavy. Casey, come on! Pakita ko sa inyo yung front. Doon kami nang galing. Doon. Super layo ng pinanggalingan namin. Natatakot ako mag-video kasi baka mahulog yung camera ko. Tingnan nyo. Lakad ko kayo ng konti. Tapos ang dami mga bangka. Yung sailboat. Ayan. Chidi. I don't know where over there. So, good thing it's not super windy, so it's perfect. If it's windy, I think it's very hard. It's gonna be a lot of waves. Do you wanna drink? He might want to drink first.